Please open your books and look at page number 62. With the help of page number 62, 63 and 64, we will discuss the life of Dr. Stephen Hawking. We will not only discuss his life, we will discuss his achievements. And what made Dr. Stephen Hawking so special? What made him the greatest scientist of this century? What made him the epitome of courage? What made Dr. Stephen Hawking a personification of courage and hope? Friends, Dr. Stephen Hawking was born in London on 8th January 1942. He was born exactly 300 years after the death of great scientist Galileo. And Dr. Stephen Hawking, he studied physics. Friends, he had a love for music and mathematics. As a child, he was very normal, like us. He was a normal teenager. He had a great love for music, mathematics. He was full of mischiefs in his school. He liked to study maths, but his father wanted him to study medicine. But he was bent on studying mathematics. And so he went to the University of Oxford. But there he didn't have a course in mathematics. So he studied physics. What does this say to us? आपल्याला यातून काय लक्षात येतं की that Dr. Stephen Hawking was as normal as us. But at the age of 17, वयाच्या 17व्या वर्षी, he started noticing that he was becoming increasingly clumsy. And second thing, he noticed that he fell down couple of times for no reason. It made him confused. This perplexed him. This confused him. So when he went to his family doctor diagnosed him as suffering from an extremely rare disease. And do you know the name of that disease? It is given on page number 62. The name of the disease he was suffering from was ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease. Now what is this disease like? या आजाराचं असं विशेषण वेगळंपण काय? It is given on page number 62 and 63. This disease affects the nervous system. This disease weakens all the muscles of the body. This disease affects muscle coordination of a person. And Dr. Stephen Hawking was suffering from this disease, and he noticed this at the age of 17. Now it was like a bolt from the blue. It was like a sudden shock to him. But Dr. Stephen Hawking was undaunted. It means he was unafraid of misfortunes. He was undaunted and he decided to continue his research, and he got engaged to Jane Wild. Friends, at this dismal stage, anyone could have stopped his studies. Anyone could have stopped his all other things. But Dr. Stephen Hawking was a special. He was undaunted. In the meanwhile, the disease worked its way. The disease was growing, but at the same time, though Dr. Stephen Hawking's body was disabled, though he was totally disabled, he began studying the concept of black holes to get his PhD. So special this is. हे किती वेगळं आहे. Any normal person would have stopped his studies. दुसरा कुठला राहिला असता तर त्याने अभ्यास थांबवला असता. But Dr. Stephen Hawking decided to study the concept of black holes to get his PhD. And this disease made him confined to a wheelchair. He was confined to a wheelchair. And he was rapidly losing control of his hands and speech. But the study of the black holes, if you please look at page number 63, third paragraph, the study of the black holes sparked his imagination with bright ideas, and he made many epoch-making statements. That is, great statements, great important statements. And these statements shook established theories. Scientists believe that universe began with a big bang. To explain this concept, Dr. Stephen Hawking invented Lie algebra. So special was his invention. Now he was totally confined to a wheelchair with no control over his body, no control over his hands, no control over his fingers. So he had a computer to help him. Confining to a wheelchair, Dr. Hawking worked with the help of computer. Numerous honorary doctorates and awards have been bestowed on him for his inventions. He was bestowed with numerous honorary degrees, doctorates and awards. To say his achievements, to note his achievements, here is a list of his achievements. He is a fellow of the Royal Society. He is a member of the US National Academy of Sciences. And friends, Dr. Stephen Hawking is considered Einstein's equal in intelligence. But he was a very humble man, a very simple, a very down to earth man. These are his qualities. जर तुम्हाला क्वालिटीज वगैरे विचारल्या तर सिंपल, humble, down to earth. He has written many books dealing with his awesome ideas, keeping a layman in mind. Now what is his writing like? त्यांचं लिखाण कसं आहे? His writing is full of wit and humor. His style is lucid, that is very simple, and anyone can understand his writings. कुठलाही व्यक्ती त्यांचं रायटिंग सहज समजू शकतो. He has written a book. एक बुक त्यांनी लिहिलं आहे. The name of the book is A Brief History of Time. It is one of the best selling books of our times. When you ask him how he feels about having the dreadful ALS, असं जर आपण त्यांना विचारलं, डॉक्टर स्टीफन हॉकिंग ही सेज विथ अ होप, ते अतिशय पॉझिटिव्हली आपल्याला काय रिप्लाय करतात, नॉट व्हेरी डिफरंट फ्रॉम द रेस्ट. आय ट्राय अँड लीड ॲज अ नॉर्मल लाईफ ॲज पॉसिबल. ही सेज दॅट ही लीड्स अ नॉर्मल लाईफ and not think about my condition or regret the things it prevents me from doing, which are not many. This statement of Dr. Hawking tells us that how special he was. He was not an ordinary one. Dr. Stephen Hawking firmly believes that in the next millennium, science will discover the core secrets of the universe, its origin, its history, and maybe even predicts its ultimate demise. Friends, like Dr. Stephen Hawking, there are many people who display exemplary courage in their lives. Dr. Stephen Hawking's life displays an exemplary courage. So let us salute all those brave people like Dr. Stephen Hawking, who in spite of being disabled strive to do their best. So friends, this is all about Dr. Stephen Hawking. Now in exam, what would you be asked? तुम्हाला काय काय विचारलं जाईल? Considering the वेब डायग्राम ऍक्टिव्हिटीज मध्ये काय विचारलं जाईल? Qualities of Dr. Stephen Hawking. Qualities are given on page number 62, 63, 64. See, he was simple, he was humble, he was down to earth, he was courageous, he was brave, he was an epitome of courage, he was an epitome of hope. So these are his qualities. Okay? You will be asked, तुम्हाला असं विचारलं जाईल, achievements of Dr. Stephen Hawking. There are many achievements credited to him. He completed his graduation in physics. He completed his graduation from the University of Oxford. He studied the concept of black holes and got a PhD in it. हे त्यांचं एक अचिव्हमेंट आहे. He invented a concept Lie algebra, and Dr. Stephen Hawking has written a book. It's his great achievement, A Brief History of Time. To list his achievements, he is a fellow of the Royal Society. He is a member of the US National Academy of Sciences. These are his achievements. हे त्यांचे achievements आहेत. Disease he was suffering from, त्या डिसीजचं नाव ALS, LOU. सिम्पटम्स ऑफ द डिसीज, त्या डिसीजचे काही सिम्पटम्स जर आपल्याला विचारले तर आपल्याला पेज नंबर 62, 63 हे पेजेस आपल्याला उपयोगी आहेत. ऑन पेज नंबर 62, सिम्पटम्स ऑफ द डिसीज आर गिवन that the person's nervous system is affected. It weakens all the muscles of the body. It weakens the muscle coordination. It paralyzes a person. So these are his achievements. These are the symptoms of the disease. Title added to Dr. Stephen Hawking. Dr. Stephen Hawkingला जे टायटल्स देण्यात आलेत ते जर आपल्याला विचारण्यात आले तर आपल्याला असंच सांगता येईल. ऑन पेज नंबर 62 वर दिलेत. ही इज कॉल्ड an epitome of courage. He is called a living legend of cosmology. He is called a personification of courage and hope. He is called one of the greatest scientists of this century. So these are his titles. There are so many new words in it. There are so many new phrases in the lesson. Their meanings are given very simply on page number 62, 63 and 64. So please study them all. And if you have any doubts in between, जर काही शंका असतील तर do call me, मला विचारा. And to get updates of my videos, माझ्या व्हिडिओजचे जर अपडेट्स तुम्हाला हवे असतील, to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications. So friends, that's all for today. Study this lesson once again, listen to this video clip thoroughly, completely, and try to note down important points. Okay, so that's all for today.